What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a developer in Stripe. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Stripe. After typing, you will see this first official website of Stripe. Simply give it a click and after clicking, you will be redirected to this dashboard of Stripe. Now from here, if you are new to Stripe, on the right side at the top, you will see the option of sign in. You simply sign in with your email and password, or if you already have an account, you will see the option of dashboard. Simply click on that and then you will be automatically signed in into Stripe. Now, after coming to the dashboard, click on the settings icon. After clicking on the settings icon, click on team and security under the account settings. And after clicking on team and security, you will see all the members that have been added on the team or that you have added on the team. Now from here on the right side, as you can see the icon of add member, click on this icon and then write the email of the member that you want to add, and after that you can search by role or you can just simply scroll down a bit and then click on developer roles, and after writing the email just check this checkbox of developer and after that click on send invites. Or if you are not able to choose these developer roles, you can go to the admin roles and then check to the super administrator. This also works as a developer. So after that, just click on send invite, and then an invite will be sent to the dedicated Gmail of your member. This is how you can add a developer on Stripe. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.